Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices. This creates the peer link needed for Nearby Share. On the laptop, open the System Nearby Share or Chromebook sharing panel and set visibility to either everyone or contacts depending on security. On your phone, go to Settings, right arrow Google, right arrow Device Connections, right arrow Nearby Share, and select Visibility and Data options. Once done, keep screens unlocked so devices can discover each other. This minimizes connection timeout and speeds discovery. You now pick the content to send: photos, files, or links. Tap Share, then choose Nearby Share. The phone will scan for nearby devices. When the laptop name appears, confirm it matches, look at the thumbnail or device name, then tap it. Make sure the laptop shows a prompt. Accept incoming files and choose a save location if prompted. Once accepted, transfer begins over the fastest available channel, Bluetooth for negotiation, then Wi-Fi direct for bulk, so larger files move quickly and reliably. After sending, watch progress on both devices until completion, then open received files from the laptop downloads or the chosen folder. If the transfer stalls or fails, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices and retry. This refresh often resolves negotiation issues. Make sure both screens stay unlocked and devices are within a few meters to avoid radio interference. If discovery still fails, temporarily set visibility to everyone or reboot one device. This usually clears stuck states and lets you complete the transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.